I'm Lucy, and I'm going to, I want to make this about birds, and I also want to make it a little about nature, kind of. I'm going to look for some birds too. I know where a nest is, but let's go look at it. Right here. Right there. In the branches. I'm really close to it, but the camera's making it look kind of a little far away. So if we can find some birds, some cool stuff about nature, like plants, leaves. Ooh, here's one. Here's a weed, and the leaves are making it look like flower. These are the leaves are like the petal of the flower. It's really cool, I think. That's what I think. See if we can find some more stuff. Home's over there somewhere behind those bushes. There's a corner there, so. And see over there, I don't think I see any birds there, but if you see some, that would be good. Haven't taken any pictures of birds, but I would like to take some pictures of birds. But I took some pictures of the nest. Over there is lots of tall weeds, and back there, maybe over that way. I think there's a school there or something. But I know there's a road there because I saw one. There's a hole over here. Somewhere down here. Hope I didn't pass it because I don't want to pass it. To an airplane. I think it's really cool how we found. I really like that nest. It's so cool. And those red stuff. I don't know what those are. There's a bunch of spider webs here. Turn around. Go back to my home. This place isn't very far from my home. My mom told me to not make the movie very long, so we'll stop it now. Bye.